Hi guys, welcome back to our channel and a new video by Lenfor. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this cute look which I have created using only two products of Lenfor. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So starting the look, I'm applying moisturizer. You always apply lip balm so your lips does not dry out. So for primer, I am using Glam Touch Glow Primer from Lenfor. It's basically in gel form. So for base, I am using our newly launched foundation, the liquid foundation from Lenfor. It's in the shade Natural 02. Now for setting my base, I am using Lenfor's compact powder in the shade Natural. So for creating a bright look, I will be using Matte Show Off Lip Crayon in the shade Sunkissed Nude and Timeless Eyeliner in the shade Gold by Nature 05. I am using Lenfor Stamping Rose Blush for eyeshadow, setting my eyeshadow. So for liner, I will be using Sketch It eyeliner in the shade black. Check well the eyeliner before you use so that the ink is. So I'm using Lenfor's blush in the shade Flamingo 02. For blush, I'm using the same Flamingo blush because it's a day look, so I don't want to go for a darker shade in blush. So for my brows, I'm using Lenfor's True Romance pencil. So for lipstick, I will be using Treasure Matte lipstick in the shade Almond Coffee. It's my personal favorite lipstick. Okay. So lastly, using fixer to fix my makeup.